Hello everyone, it's Jason, and we're back for more World of Warcraft Season of Mastery. We are in Westfall, trying to get ready for um, a Dead Mines run that I may or may not be able to get into. um, got some friends of mine on Discord that are actually getting ready to, I think they're getting ready to do it now. I just don't think I don't think I'm high enough level yet. I am almost 15. I can't quite remember what you had to be for Dead Mines, but okay, let's see. Do we have, oops, Discord noise. All right, so we've got quite a few things to get. Let's see how the bag space is looking. It's semi-okay. I think we have a little bit of everything to kill too. I think we need Gore-Tusk livers. So I got 6 of 8 Gore-Tusk livers that we need. We need like the trappers and smugglers. We just need them all. We need everything. We just need everything. Even stringy vulture meat from this little guy right here, probably. That sounds a tad loud. Let's back it down a little bit. Okay. All right, marching on. Got my stringy vulture meat, so I've got 2 or 3 of those. Oh, this is just going to be farmed out to all you know what. But that also might mean faster respawns. And maybe somebody will want to group with us since it is a kill quest. I need one up here. Sometime. Oh, there was. Someone's got it camped. Oh, I can see if I can get this vulture though. I'll consider that our minor win if I can get that. What did we just get? Oh, disenchant time. Excellent. All right. Oh, let's not get the Dust Devil. Boar ribs and boar intestines, which we don't need. Let's get our buffs going. Let's drink a little bit of mana back up. and this dude just aggroed that Dust Devil. I'm gonna rip him a new one if he's not careful. Oh, there we go. Absolutely nothing. So we already have our Gore-Tusk snouts, and we have our Okra. We just need Murloc eyes, and we need stringy vulture meat. There's a vulture over there, but we need to drink water. Lesser magic wand is decent. I'll be glad when I can make the greater magic wand, because that's what we really need. Okay, let's see if this give us a Gore-Tusk liver. Gore-Tusk liver, yay. Look at all these things on my map. I really probably should get rid of them, but I've almost got used to playing with them. But they don't really bother me. Oh, good. Got another one. Thank you, dude. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You've got to be absolutely kidding me. Tabbed him from attacking him from the other side. Go. Smuggler and a bandana. Very good. You're not even going to kill your own mob? Seriously? Come on. There you go. There's 2 people in that barn. Could have shared, but that's the new World of Warcraft. Oh, got another Gore-Tusk liver at least. Don't need the... Oh, I do need the vulture. Alright, maybe I can get this and then see what we want to do about Murlocs. I not overly enthused about fighting the Murlocs, but we can do it. We also need, you know, we do need Knoll Paws as well. Need those things or anything. Oh, we still need. Oh, let's click. Gosh. Completely confused on my quest. Thought I had finished the killing fields, and I had not. So let's go ahead and knock that out. That'd be a good one to get rid of. Boy, those things have a wide open aggro radius. What's up with that? Oh, no mana. Alright, I think I can finish him off with just the wands. Should be good. And got him. May or may not survive this one. So we'll see. Should probably not drink the water so close to the killing fields. I only need 2 more. 2 more, I can go turn that in. And that goes to Farmer Saldine. He's a vendor, so I can sell some of this crap that I don't need. Might even make a really quick off-camera flight to Stormwind and level up some. I think I'm ready to make some more wands and sell those. It's just all my crap, dude. Look how far away he aggroes. That is ridiculous. Alright, that is quest complete. Let's go see Farmer Saldine. Maybe we'll see this stringy vulture about some stringy vulture meat first. All that stuff, nothing. No vulture meat. Oh, that just makes me mad now. That just makes me mad. Holy cow. I didn't realize all the buffs I had going up there. Thanks, whoever. Druid of some kind. Must have been a night elf somewhere. I didn't see. Well, yeah, I mean, that's a night elf, obviously. Oh, come on with this. Don't know that we need the wolves. I don't know that we ever need, or not the wolves, the coyotes. And I don't know that we ever need the coyotes for anything. I mean, you obviously can can kill them for their meat. But this is going to get kind of dicey. Because those things aggro from so far away. But I think I'm... Oh, nope. Entering combat.
Need help? Light bless you.
Oh, of course.
Greetings.
Do we need the boar intestines? I don't think we do. And I don't think we need the chunk of boar meat. Just need the snouts and got 5 light rather. We need the livers.
Be careful.
Okay, now.
King's honor, friend.
Now I can turn that in.
For the Alliance.
Get my level. Disenchant those pants. That sounds so funny to say. What did I get? Strange dust. And let's go ahead and get into Frostbite. That was our ultimate goal. And we'll go farm out in here because we got livers and stringy vulture meat. And then I guess after that, we'll see if we can get down into killing some murlocs. Gorta snout. Don't need the snout. There, playa. Oh boy. See, again, all these coyotes around here, and I don't think we need them for anything. Gonna need to be careful here too. Stringy vulture meat. All right. Got that one. Now we're gonna need to go and get Murloc eyes. Stop by Farmer Saldine's one more time and get rid of this extra stuff we've got. When we get to level about 17, 18, there's a couple of quests down here. Yeah, 16, 19, and 20. So maybe around 17, 18, we'll go hit those 3 because those are, I've got, because I think one of them calls for a flask of oil. The other one is, I think, just a kill quest for Murlocs. And then there's, I think there's one other one that's, I don't know if it's a straight kill quest or you have to go and find a sunken ship and recover something from the sunken ship or something like that. It's kind of a long, convoluted deal. And I did not do what I said I was going to do because I was running my mouth. But so a couple of levels we'll have that to do. And then I guess once we get around 20-ish, we'll want to head to Lakeshire. I think we may actually already have a Lakeshire quest to do. Patrolling Westfall Stew. Oh, what the heck happened? Where'd he come from? Well, shoot your wand, dude. Thank you. Okay.
What can I do for you?
Let's get rid of this stuff. That, and that. Flask of oil we need to hold on to. The okra and the hops we need to hold on to. I'm going to hold on to those light feathers because once we get slow fall, it takes a reagent is a light feather. So you need to kind of hold on to those for that reason. I just almost brazenly just walk right through this farm because they're all dead. Yeah, we're going to go right down in this little ravine over here and start taking out some murlocs. Okay. Oh, wow. All those gnolls. Whew. Now, let's see how farmed out this area is. Because there's a group of us that seems to kind of be running around on the same quests. So this could get a little interesting as well. Oh, wasted it. Nothing. Perfect. Got him. Frostbite got him. Excellent. Wow, he charged in. How on earth did I get that mob? How on earth did I get that? These Murloc eyes. I guess the Murlocs around here just don't have any eyeballs. I guess what it is I'm just frostbolting and flameballing them into oblivion, and it's just melting them. They're just melting their eyeballs. Poor frozen Murlocs with no eyeballs. Really? Now you're going to resist my wand? Now that I'm this close to death? Frostbite really saved my butt there. Okay, all those Murlocs, and none of them had any eyeballs. Sorry I have to keep clearing my throat. In the south we have, you know, allergies and whatnot, and oh, this guy just respawned right on top of me. You're having the worst luck, pal. You have no idea. So something else aggroed on me. Oh, I bet it was that coast runner. Still, all these Murlocs don't have any eyeballs, apparently. How be as low a level as you are to break my Frost Nova that quickly? And no eyeball. How rude. Thank you, dude. Oh, second eyeball. How on earth? How is that not tagged for me? You've got to be kidding me with this. How did I not? I, like, inflicted damage on it twice. Oh, God. Let's just get this over with, please. I hate Murlocs. I just hate Murlocs anyway. No, really? Cage can't pill. Please have an eyeball. Oh, you don't have an eyeball. You poor Murloc. Drink a little. Don't need much. Let's go. Eyeball. Yes. All right, so that's that quest done. So all we have is the null pause. I think we have trappers and smugglers over in the mine, maybe. The Gold Coast Quarry. We'll go investigate that and see. Before we go turn this in, I will check that out. If it's not there, then they are in this mine over there. That's where we're at now, the Django load mine. See, I think there's something on that ship that we have to go and get. I wish we had Blink. Well, I don't know what those are. Those soul fragments. I have not a clue. If someone is listening to this and you know, share, because I have no idea what that is. But that mage is doing some mage work in that camp. Can't pick up any of that. I could if I... see, I really don't want to do this. Yep, you're going to make me dump something, aren't you? Well, here, let's do this. Let's dump that. Let's get the clam meat on. And we'll recreate that. Boom. And now we can pick up that. All right. It'd be great if I get a Knoll Paw on board and start saving that slot in my bags. No, but still got some linen cloth, which we also need. All these little ravines. Let's drink a little. And I think I'll take a clue or cue from them and drink myself. Okay. Oh, better. Oh, of course. Now I'm going to have to do that. Redo that. And we need mana again. No, we don't. We're good. Ooh, 3-pole. Oh. God, how are they breaking it so fast? I don't know. I need to get down into the talent tree a little bit further because they shouldn't be able to break that fast. We'll die. Goodness. Alright, moving right along on that quest. Got Dalaran Sharp, I don't need that. That is a 3-pull that I don't want any part of. Is there any better angle? Let's see. Does she have a friend? She does not. Good. She is no friends. She is a trapper, though. She will net us in place if she gets the chance. What the crap is this? Did I really aggro that? Oh, this is going to be a death. What happened? It's okay. It's okay. I did not see it. And why can't a spirit just go up the side of a mountain? Blizzard? You can walk on water. Why can't we walk up the side of a mountain? Come on, do better. Well, that was fun. So it's Sunday evening. It's a little after 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. Had a fun Saturday. We recorded 3 episodes, got those all up on the page. After some issues, it seems like when you get right at about an hour, it seems like YouTube wants to take its sweet time about putting the videos up. But they're up there. So that was a lot of fun. We went from like level, I think we started out the day at level 10. Started out the day at level 10, and I think we made it all the way up to almost 13 or 14. And then I did some questing here in Westfall, as you could probably tell at the beginning of this video. I think I completed like the oat quest and got the farmer's pocket watch from that building that the Defias were hanging out around. So I turned those in, got the little 4-slot unique Blanchie's feed pouch. So that has helped out a little bit with our bag space, but I was going to actually try and turn in this quest that I have done, but now that I'm out here where there's no one else out here killing these Defias, it makes me want to stay out here. Just no hunters, please. I don't know what that was. That was so weird. Well, probably wasted it, but drink up until I'm attacked. But if I can get the bandanas and the trappers and smugglers all right here in this little area, then it's probably going to be worth it. There's got to be a hunter right down in that little ravine area. Because next thing I know is I have a pet on me attacking me. Oh no. That's going to be a death. That is a death. Alright, so I've had enough of that. We'll just deal with the resurrection sickness. I want to go ahead and sell stuff in my bags, and I want to get this quest turned in. So, what on earth? Multi-boxing, maybe? I don't understand that. I really don't. do not understand it.
Hello.
Okay. Sell, 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 sell.
Have a good one.
Not enough mana. No kidding. So that is decreases all attributes by 75%, all damage caused by 75%, armor and resistance by 75%. So yeah, we want to try to avoid everything. Let me look at my health of my mana. But at least I can get this out of these 12 items out of my bag. 4 slots, but
What can I do for you?
and she's going to fill them right back up, isn't she? Yes, you are.
Safe travels.
And I don't need any of it. Don't want any of it.
You.
Do I want to wear oven mitts on my hand? Yes, I do, apparently. uh,
Be careful.
Somebody out here quacking or bucking like a chicken. All right, I think, let's see, what are we looking at? So we got about 43 minutes in. We did complete a quest, had a little bit of fun. I guess that's all relative at this point. Valendor struts around chicken. Cluck, cluck, chicken. That's great. So if you ever want to just play the game and make money and not worry about like crafting, because I mean I kind of like doing the enchanting and the tailoring because I am crafting stuff, but I think a really good combo of professions is to do skinning and mining, because I believe those make the most money um, in terms of resale value. I've done that on a, God, look at this, that's just crazy. I don't, unless they're just on that follow, but man, that just looks weird.
What can I do for you?
So I think I'm going to fly into Stormwind. I'm going to do a little bit of crafting off camera. And what we'll do is we'll pick it right back up. I'll try one more episode this evening and call it a night. But yeah, I enjoy you guys being along this journey with me. I'm having a lot of fun playing this game. It's one of my favorite games ever, and I am so glad that they decided to do something and give it a little bit of a fresh take, if you will, on the classic experience. And if you're still on the fence about whether to give it a try, it's still not too late. I mean, I still see people like running around that are just starting. And the good thing about it is with the hardcore mode, if you want to just do that, because the game has got enough quests and enough fun, if you want to solo, you can solo. You don't have to get in and do the dungeons and do the raiding. You can just play the quests solo. You might have to zone hop a little bit just to kind of be ahead of the leveling curve, but it's not too late. Join in, join the fun. But anyway, that's going to be it for this episode, guys. We'll see you next time. Take care. Be safe.